What's your favorite place?
I don't have a favorite place. I have my favorite people. And whenever I'm with my favorite people, that place becomes my favorite.
You ask me where I wanna go, a map of places I might know, the golden sands of mountain peaks, the quiet corners that everyone seeks. But maps are just lines on a paper, so without the heart that makes them whole. It's not the view of the city lights or the magic of the starry nights. It's not the stone or the ocean blue that makes a moment feel so true.